Hey people, so this is our regular routine of being here on every Sunday, and take a look at it. It's only while recording these these videos do I realize that we come to the same place at pretty much the same time and eat the same kind of stuff. But this little cookie, we got it almost free because Subway has this offer that if you fill up a feedback form, they give you a cookie free. And this is my young son, and I'm wondering whether I should also come in the frame, but I think that's not required. But really, yeah. So this is a Chennai coffee shop, and here, how is the Subway? Is it nice? He's a bit hungry, and that's what it's a. So yeah, as usual, a random video, but it just feels nice to shoot these sometimes. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.